Welcome everyone, this is Morshid from Computer Pro Plus. This video regarding another case study regarding a reMarkable 2, and this repair took me about almost 5 hours. So let me show you what I'm working on it right now. Alright, so this is of course reMarkable 2, right? And this device originally from this is from Florida, the village. So this device came with damaged in charging port, and also the damaged in the, let me show you here. So it was damaged on the charging port here in the corner, and that damaged the charging port. So I don't know, you guys can see it was damaged inside, so we just removed it. However, that was not finished. We thought the issue related with the charging port and the metal sheet, then it should be up and running fine, so that we replaced with a new charging port and then installed a new metal sheet, and still did not work. So that's why we grab a new battery for reMarkable 2. This is reMarkable 2 battery, and then testing still doesn't take charge. So then we need to go through the investigation, find out why is the issue in the circuit board, why is would not even take charge after replacing the damaged charging port with a new one. And the funny thing is, the tablet was turning on, but it would not take a charge. So which means the power line was clear, but it was something shorting out during the charging. In the charging line somewhere. When it's dropped, it might be damaged something somewhere. So then I started grabbing a donor board. This is also for reMarkable 2. This is a dead board. So I was start testing and keep transferring the component one by one, and then I found the issue with power controller chip here, somewhere here, this one. So I replaced this chip from another donor board, and now the tablet is taking charge fine with a new charging port. So to find out that the issue took me about 5 hours. To fix this issue, replacing this is only 5 minutes. So diagnosing takes longer time than fixing the problem. So that's why identifying the issue is more important than fixing the issue. Alright, so again, charging issue. This is charging port, and bent on the metal shade here we replace with this one, which is fresh condition. And then we also replace this component here, the power controller chip, with a replacement one, and now tablet back to the good condition, taking charge and turning on. Everything is good. So let's make a test here. Yep, turning on. And then let's take a look here. Now we have 5 volt 0 amp, and it should be 5 volt 0.48 amps when a reMarkable take a charge. So let's go ahead and plug here. And take a look here. There you go. As soon as I plugged it, 4.91 volt and 0.41 amp, 41 amps, which means it's taking charge. And then tablet is ready to use here. So yep, this is the video for today about reMarkable 2 charging issue, and I hope this video will help other technicians who may have same type of issue or similar type of issue after replacing the charging port. Again, this is Murshid from Computer CPA Plus. We are a local repair shop here at Bradenton, Florida. Address is 1829 Lakewood Ranch, Blvd, Bradenton, Florida 34211. We are a local repair shop and also the computer retail store. We do the cell phone build, server build, reMarkable repair, that kind of stuff. So please give us a call if you have any question. Our call number is 941 567 6431. Bye bye.